this class is a foundational understanding of what NIL is about from different perspectives. Essentially, the way that I try to approach it is I'm asking myself, a person who will be or would be in an NIL coordinator or NIL director position, what are some things that they have to learn and to be proficient in? And NIL is a very unique area that really touches pretty much every aspect of operations of college athletics and athletics departments. So we really have to think about how to touch a variety of different points, including legal perspective and business perspective, and understanding the different players in the market, as well as the specific elements of athlete brand and how we introduce that in a way that's beneficial and ties in within the context of this class, but also doesn't overlap with other classes that are focusing on content creation or athlete branding. Yes, a couple of takeaways would be important for me. The first one, and probably the most foundational one, will be the understanding of regulations. If anything, I want them to be coming out of this class with a solid understanding of where we were in terms of amateurism and NCAA regulations before NIL and where we are at now, and what is something that student athletes are and aren't allowed to do, as well as how dynamic this space is and how important it is to really continue tracking how those regulations evolve over time. And the second piece would be understanding of the broader sport brand ecosystem and how NIL has evolved in it, and really how it draws on efforts, initiatives, and perspectives and functions of different stakeholders within this industry, and what is the roles that those stakeholders play in the student-athlete experience. I think it's very exciting because we really have to be on the forefront of this, and it's also a very interesting process because NIL is evolving very fast. It's a very fast evolving arena, both from the business perspective and legal perspective. So it's very exciting and interesting to be in this space, but it's also a lot of responsibility because in the course that I'm teaching, there are a lot of students, and many of them are student athletes. So we really have to think about how to make sure that the material that we are teaching can be applied directly to their experiences and to what they're doing with their personal brands. And it's important for students who are not student athletes as well, because for them it's an opportunity to develop the skills and knowledge that would be relevant in their careers, whether they want to work with athletes in the future or in athletics department, or just are trying to broaden their understanding of the sports industry.